Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video I want to say a few words about Flask Material Kit. The product has been updated to support to have a better management regarding the database persistence. Once the uh, let's say the MySQL driver is not properly installed by the developer, or simply the credentials are not good. In all cases, the product knows how to fall back silently to SQLite, and of course, this event is it's highlighted in the application logs. And another nice feature we think is the continuous integration, continuous deployment feature added to support instant deployments on using render deployment infrastructure. So during this video, I will for the project and access the my render account and just go live with the product without any efforts, without any configuration, without SSL setup or any other service server configuration editing. Okay, let's create a new repository. Okay, for newcomers, this product is open source, is provided by AppSeed, and as all other open source projects, the code base is released under the MySql license, which means anyone can use the product or incorporate the source code in commercial project, or simply use for e-learning activities. So in this case, I will deploy the project as I said before. So in order to go live with this starter, just access your render dashboard. Go here to the blueprint instance. We need to create a new blueprint. But before doing this, I will make a small edit in this render.yaml file. Basically, the integration with render is done by these two files, render.yaml, which basically informs render how to deploy the project, what type of product is, and where to deploy it. And also there is another simple bash script that executes a super basic project setup. Okay, now we are good to go. I will go back here to the render dashboard. I will create a new blueprint. Just drop here the URL of the repository. Uh, Drop here a name and hit apply. Basically, this is the setup in order to go live with the product. Once the render platform accepts our request, we can check out the deployment completion logs, and in less than 2 minutes the product should be up and running, and we should be able to access the product in the browser. Okay. Also, might be important to know that Render is a Heroku-like deployment platform that provides many features and decent pricing, and we decided to use it as a deployment infrastructure for AppSeed for all products that we provide. Okay, so we can see in the completion logs that the process was flagged as successful, and now we should wait a little bit in order to be to be live. Once the product is live, we should see here a green flag that informs us the application can be accessed in the browser. Okay, so we can check out here this green flag. Let's copy the URL and access the product in the browser. So we can see that product is successfully deployed. Let's create a new user, because by default the application is not provided with any default users. I will use a simple password, save, sign in, and we are good to go. Basically the product looks amazing in my opinion. It's designed by a creative team. The product comes with a lot of pages, a lot of components, uh, order, we have here page headers, and a lot of other components. So feel free to browse the application and use the kit. The design is it's super. It's based on Bootstrap 5, so the stack is uh, really nice. It's powered by Flask, which is also super popular, and also Bootstrap 5. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. Feel free to chat with us in case anyone has issues using the product. Access AppSeed. Uh, when the users hit the home page, we have here the link to the support page, and feel free to send us an email or simply join the Discord, where you can find a super nice community with more than 1,000 members. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day.